Hey guys, in today's video, what I would like to do is give you some information about this brand new opportunity. And what I love about this is the bonuses that comes with it. So I want you guys to make sure to stay till the end so that you can see what's included. And this is going to help you to speed up your results online. So whether or not if you're a struggling marketer, or maybe you are new to the industry, this is something that you would definitely want to take a look at. I've been working from home online for quite some time now, and what I try to do is find simple opportunities that people can duplicate, something that's easy to set up, but not only that, things that will allow you to actually start earning step by step, and not only that, learning how to work certain opportunities step by step. So with this opportunity, you are going to receive a duplicated website where people will actually start paying you out $97 every time someone joins this opportunity. What I love about this is that you are going to receive the different traffic sources that you can use that will not cost you a dime to actually get started with. Most of the times when people join opportunities, the traffic is way too expensive, so people actually start to give up. But not only that, sometimes the traffic that you will get isn't giving you the results that you need because you don't have enough traffic. What you want is hundreds of people per day looking at your opportunity. And if this happens on a consistent basis, this is how you will start to actually build a full-time income. If you have a few people dripping in here and there, let's just say 3 one day and 5 another and 7 another, it's not enough eyeballs on your opportunity for people to make a decision. Okay. So let's just take the time to go through this website, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and what's included. So here it's basically just talking about the main struggles when it comes to the online industry. And we know that a lot of people, they either don't have the correct business model, so they don't know the approach to take in order to start earning, or they may be looking at a system that has a very complicated training or setup. And sometimes people aren't consistent, and it's not because they don't want to be, they just don't know exactly what to do in order to be consistent. So the reason why I'm actually doing this video and I'm not showing my face is because what I want a lot of people to know is the power behind just video marketing, whether or not you're sharing your face or not. But not only that, I started out without video marketing and was able to produce $60,000 in my second year online. And that is pretty amazing. So what I did was I used different social media platforms, but not only that, an email list that allowed me to start earning consistently. And I was not touching video marketing. I didn't have the confidence, but not only that, I felt that I didn't know the information really well about online marketing in order to give the information to someone else. So another thing is that a lot of people join opportunities that are not legitimate. The opportunity will be here one day and gone the next. You need to be involved in opportunity that's going to be here to stay. Why? Because people want that solid, secure foundation. If you get into too many opportunities and you're promoting them, and then when people turn around, it's no longer around, people will not trust you. Okay. The other thing is that you want to get with an opportunity that has evergreen information, which means no matter if it's 2, 3, or 5 years from now, whatever you're given, you can use it for years to come. And that's what I like to do. So we know that social media is here to stay. Social media platforms have been around for decades. Different platforms like YouTube, we have Facebook. I remember a while ago when MySpace was around. Do you guys remember MySpace? And then we have LinkedIn. And not only that, we have Instagram and now TikTok. So there's so many different ways that you can actually get your word out there. And if you're not a social media person, because you don't know what to do, or maybe you're not on social media as a lot, there's a few different tips and tricks that you can learn to actually start producing an income with just email marketing. So we're going to talk about that as well. And then we're going to also go into earning passively, because there's a lot of people that don't have time to get into a ton of training and learning how to do things, and they want their money to work for them. So if you get into an opportunity that's passive, then it's going to require little to no work. You're just basically maintaining it, and that can take an hour a day, 30 minutes a day, maybe not even that much time over the week. And a passive income will actually allow you to have more freedom to do the things that you love to do. So with this opportunity, it's called Zero to Profits. And what you're going to receive is the 60-minute profit system. And this is going to be a report that's going to basically tell you how to make money within 60 minutes. Okay. And I tell people this is like the start of your business. You want to spend at least an hour to a couple of hours so that you can have that rapid growth within your business. And if you do this 4 to 5 times out of a week, you're building a solid foundation to have a growing business opportunity. The next thing that you're going to get is the passive income blueprint. And what I love about this is it's giving you different ways to generate a passive income. So if you don't have much time, or there's but so many things that you want to learn, passive income strategies is the way to go. It helps you to generate a full-time income where you can spend more time with your friends and family and travel. And I tell a lot of people that are in the online space, what you need is at least 3 to 5 different income streams. And if 2 of them are passive, that's just going to allow you to free up a lot of your time. So passive income is any income that requires little or no ongoing work. You're just going to maintain it. And this is what a lot of the 6- and 7-figure earners are doing. They're finding a way to free up more of their time by having passive income. Now, what we want to do is move down here to the different bonuses that are available. And this is where the money is at. Okay, these bonuses, if you purchase them right out, it will cost you over $1,500. Today, you're going to get these bonuses for free when you purchase Zero to Profits. Okay, so you're going to get the boost online sales. And this is going to give you the science and the art behind selling, little small changes that you can make that can actually help you to have increase your results within the online space. Okay, you're going to also get internet marketing for beginners. And again, I love this is because it's for a lot of people who are struggling or have not made their first $500 within the online space. Okay, then you're going to also get the traffic handbook. This is going to show you how to leverage social media and get tons of traffic, high volume traffic to your niche. And this works for any online business. So no matter if you're selling, if you're a part of a multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, maybe you're selling jewelry, you can use this traffic strategy in order to start getting results for your business. And then we have the Facebook Messenger marketing. So there's a lot of people who are not really using their Facebook page, but they don't mind using Facebook Messenger. With this final bonus, you're going to be able to know how to leverage Facebook Messenger. And when you do this the right way, it will completely decrease the amount of time that you're spending on social media to get more traffic. So if you're interested in this information and you want to take a look at the website, all you have to do is click on the description below, and it's going to give you this page where you can go ahead and claim your copy and also get your bonuses. Okay. When you receive your bonuses, if you do not see it in your inbox, all you need to do is check your spam folder. Sometimes things do not go directly to your inbox depending on what service you're using for your emails. Okay. So don't worry, it'll be there as soon as you make the payment. Again, if it's not in your inbox, all you need to do is check your other folders. So this is the website, guys, where you can actually start earning $97 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day. But not only that, you have bonuses that is going to help you increase your results. I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Have a great night.